Okay. On again. Okay. Back. Shush. Go inside. Well, I guess I have to edit now. Gosh.
Nathan,
What?
all of your YouTube fans.
His fans. He freaking didn't post.
I got no fans. Dr. Quarter.
Let's go.
Nope.
Your boy.
It's your boy, Swoozy.
You can still wear the
Shush.
extra large.
My gosh.
It's not really
Got
bad.
these things.
We're trying to make a YouTube video.
And you
Spin.
can wear my baggy
You got
shirt.
3 of them.
I like baggy pants too.
What?
They are 300
You
and
can wear my sweatpants.
drift boy drift.
3 of them.
Whoa! My name is Tony Caprice.
Okay. So, you got,
Get started on this
Right.
video.
okay, he's gonna also start the video.
Wait, no.
But they're
What?
gonna
Get started on this video.
This already started like a minute ago.
Yeah, I know, but keep messing it up.
Yeah.
my phone. I could have lost that.
This thing, go break it. Basketball's running away. Now these things, which go on that. And once you take these things off, they become really light.
You can wear my pee.
I can,
What's the
Wait, look at it. It look like it's going backwards only on the camera.
well, yeah, because everything on the camera is inverted. Well, when we see it. Well, when we see it on the camera, it's inverted.
Oh, I'm done.
But when you play the video, it's not. It changes it. Whatever. Okay. Oh, he's got his phone there. So this is the science of it all. I don't know a lot about science,
I don't either.
but there is ball bearings. Probably can't see that. Ball bearings. Help it go.
Get out of here.
My neighbor. I can fly off. Oh,
You know Reese, Nathan.
Get out of here.
okay. They're gonna be doing some basketball.
Oh.
Stop sneezing.
Stop them running away again.
So, and you can put it back in.
Oh!
Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of these back in.
I just dunked it.
Oh, good job, Cole.
Sorry.
And you can put the little caps back in. Stop sneezing. And then you can spin it. Oh my gosh. I need a tripod. I'm in the hood.
Wait, I want to spin.
Yo,
In the hood, in the hood, in the hood.
yo, the basketball's running away. Oh. Not sponsored by Sweethearts.
Bye bye, everyone.
So,
Sporting my 3rd grade pants.
Ah! 3rd grade pants.
3rd grade.
That sounds great. Okay,
They're supposed to be short like that.
that's kind of the video, I guess.
Oh,
Now,
let's get.
go subscribe to her channel, I guess. What's your channel?
Oh, we gotta give it a
90 stickers, mate! And you, what's your channel?
I have a channel, but I haven't posted it.
Huh? Dang,
It's a rolling tomato.
what's your channel name?
I don't know. I forgot.
Gosh. Now we're gonna end this video with a close-up on my double chin.